Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is daylight robbery. Daylight robbery, it means excessively expensive. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. Higher education has become a for-profit business. Government involvement in the form of guaranteed student loans has really driven up the prices. It's daylight robbery. Therefore, corporations and individuals are looking at other options to a university degree. Despite a 10% discount, their prices are much higher than the competitors. They've gotten too greedy. It's daylight robbery. We are going to have to explore another alternative. Today's idiom is daylight robbery, to be excessively expensive. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.